Hello everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. Now in today's video, we are solving the 2022 question paper of Geology Civil Services Examination Mains. And here is the question, that is, what are drag folds and how they can be used to determine the major fold structure? Now, drag folds are geological structures which are formed by the deformation of the rock layers, okay? And they result from the movement of one rock layer over another. Like if this is one rock layer, another rock layer over another, that causes the layers to fold and create a series of undulations or wrinkles like that. One fold over one another fold. Just imagine the structure that it creates. Just trying to show in this manner. So this is how the folds would be, or the layers or the wrinkles would be, if one layer after the another layer keeps on depositing or they move over the one another. So these folds are typically small in scale and they form in response to the shearing forces. Now, in terms of determining the major fold structures, drag folds can provide valuable information about the direction as well as the intensity of the tectonic forces that acted upon the rock. So we can understand through this about the intensity of the tectonic forces as well as about the direction of the tectonic forces. So this asymmetry or the structure or the layer, the way the layers are getting formed, that asymmetry of the drag folds can indicate the direction of movement, with the longer side of the fold pointing towards the direction of the force. Okay. Additionally, the geometry of the drag folds help the geologists to analyze the strain and the stress patterns within the Earth's crust, contributing to a better understanding of regional tectonic processes also. So by studying these drag folds along with the other geological structures, geologists can piece together the complex history of the rock deformation thing and also gain insights into the broader tectonic history of a particular region. So hence it is very important for you to study. So yeah, that's the question for today's video. Let's meet again in the other videos solving the other set of questions. Thank you.